Hello, third grade. Happy Wednesday. Today we're going to start with the number of the day. Whoop, there we go. Which is the number 27. So right now the video is going to go and give you these questions to do, and then we'll check them together. All right, here we go. 27. The number before is 26. When I double it, I'm going to have a 4. 54? Yep, I think it's 54. Okay, subtract 5, 22. Multiply by 3, 27 times 3. 6, 7, 8, 81. Add 7, 34. Number in the tens place is 2. Ooh, my equation. I'm going to do 3 times 9 equals 27, and expanded form is 20 plus 7. All right, few flashcards. I'm going to show the flashcards, and you can answer them with me, and then afterwards it's actually going to give you a little bit of a quiz, and you can try and match them together. Okay, ready? 2 times 6. 12. 6 times 3. 18. 2 times 5. 10. 9 times 2. 18. 6 times 4. 24. 7 times 5. 35. 9 times 6. 54. Oh, let's try this one. 7 times 4. 28. 6 times 9. 54. 9 times 4. 36. And last one, 8 times 2. 16. All right, take this quick quiz. Okay, third grade. So we have been working hard on multiplying and dividing, and today we're going to take a little bit of a look at some word problems. Okay, so we're looking right here at some word problems. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to read through number 1 and number 2, and we're going to kind of look at how they're the same and how they are different. Okay, so first let's read number 1. It says, Ernie helped his mother work in the yard for 3 days. He earned $6 each day. How much did he earn in all? Number 2. Ernie helped his mother work in the yard for 3 days. He earned $6 the first day, $5 the second day, and $7 the third day. How much did he earn in all? So my question is, what is the same about these two problems? Something that's the same that I see is that both problems ask the same question. How much did he earn in all? How much did he earn in all? Another thing I see is that the beginning is the same. Ernie helped his mother work in the yard for 3 days, and Ernie helped his mother work in the yard for 3 days. How are these two different? Well, in this one, it says he earned $6 each day. He had the same amount each day. Where in problem number 2, he earns a different amount each day, $6, $5, and $7. Which operation would you use to answer number 1? Multiplying, dividing, adding, or subtracting? When I'm adding something over and over and over again, I'm going to be multiplying. So for this problem, I would take 3 times 6. What operation would you use for number 2? yeah, since they're each different, I would add each of these together and do 6 plus 5 plus 7 to get my total amount of how much he earned in all. All right. Now, we're going to go down to these right here. Okay, so I'm going to read these to you, and I'm going to see if you can notice any of the patterns on your own. I'm trying to keep it close to the camera so you can see it. All right. Ooh, Troy, here we go. All right, let's read number 3. Troy had $18. He gave $6 to each of his brothers and had no money left. How many brothers does Troy have? Number 4. Troy gave $18 to his brothers. He gave $4 to Raj, $7 to Darnell, and the rest to Jai. How much money did, I'm going to say Jay. How much money did Jay get? Okay, so first, how are they the same? Well, both of them have Troy getting $18. Okay, how are they different? Well, in this one, he's giving the same amount to each of his brothers, where in this one, they're all different, correct? So what operation would you use for number 3? Since we're taking away the same thing, $6 to each one of the brothers, we're going to be dividing. I'm splitting it evenly. In number 4, since I'm giving different amounts to different people, I'm going to subtract. Take a moment and solve number 3. Take a moment and solve number 4. All right, you guys, last ones. We're going to go down here. I think you can see. Nope, you can't. Okay, I'm just going to put it down like this. I think you guys can see that pretty well. Well, I can probably adjust my camera to get a closer look. Okay, that'll work. All right, let's read these 2, and then I'm going to have you guys solve them all on your own. Okay, so first, number 5. Jinja has 4 cousins. Grant has 7 more cousins than Jinja. How many cousins does Grant have? Okay, so that's number 5. Number 6. Jinja has 4 cousins. Grant has 7 times as many cousins as Jinja. How many cousins does Grant have? Wow. Well, let's think this through together a little bit, because I know that this one is a little bit different than the ones that we did before. So let's think Grant has 7 more cousins than Jinja. Okay. How are these two things the same? Let's start out with that. How are these two problems the same? Yeah, so they both have, Jinja has 4 cousins, Jinja has 4 cousins. And we're both looking for how many cousins does Grant have and how many cousins does Grant have. Now, how are they different? Well, in this one, Grant has 7 more cousins. And in this one, Grant has 7 times as many cousins. So what operation are we going to use in problem number 5, and what is the answer? Yeah, so I'm going to do 4 plus 7 to get my answer of 11. What about over here in this one? What operation am I going to use, and what will be my answer? Yeah, so 7 times as many. So 4 times 7 is 28. All right, you guys, I am going to give you guys a few last problems to try on your own for this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for paying such close attention.